Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and here you will see a factory data reset. So tap on this option and then scroll down to the end, and here you will see a reset option. So to factory reset your phone, tap on this reset option here. So when you will tap on reset option here, it will delete everything from your mobile. So that's how you can factory reset your mobile in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.